guys. So I got my Popsocket package, and well, I didn't get it today, honestly. It's a Sunday delivery, and well, yeah. So like, it's actually the size of my chest, and the Popsocket is actually like right here. I'm actually touching it right now. I don't know what it looks like, but it should be galaxy-like. And well, I'm gonna show you guys a picture right now. So this is how it should look like. Excuse my friend's crap phone, iPhone 6, and it should look like that. If it's not, I'm so disappointed right now. And well, this is my friend's Popsocket, and well, that's how it should. I'm recording with my phone, so I'm not really gonna be able to put it, I guess. So yeah, so that's how it should. This is her design. It's a marble-like. So okay, so I'm gonna open the package. I'm actually so excited, but I just don't expect it to be that small and such a big of a package. Hold on. So I'm opening it right now. I'm gonna open it from like right here at the tip. And this is how it should be like. I'm covering the address right now. So yeah. This may take a while. I'm still opening it right now. My hair keeps flying in my face. Okay, opened it. Oh snap! There it is. That's how it should look like on the front. This is the back. This is where it sticks. I feel so happy that it's my Galaxy Popsocket. This is like so nice. Says it like this. So I'm about to like take it out right now. So oh my god. Why does it feel so small? How come with my friend? What? No, but it feels so small. Would you really think it's in this big of a package just like this? Are you kidding me? This big of a package with this tiny thing. It's galaxy-like though. I think this is like the newest one. And yeah. So I should put this on my phone and it should look like something like my friends. So thanks for watching.